Did you know that 20% of teens report feeling awful about themselves after using Instagram? And 1 in 3 teenage girls admit that scrolling through popular Instagram profiles made them feel more insecure about their bodies. Social media can be a dark place for young minds, contributing to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. But as parents, how can we help? Is there a way to protect our kids from the negative impacts of social media? Thankfully, there are parental control apps that give parents the power to monitor and manage their children's online activity, helping to ensure their well-being. One app that stands out from the crowd is Eyezy. It's a game changer, especially with its Instagram tracker feature, which gives parents insight into their kids' digital social circles and what they share online. With Eyezy, you can read all the messages your child sends and receives on Instagram, complete with timestamps and dates. You can also see their photos, media files, and even links to suspicious content shared in their chats. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to use the Instagram tracker. Click the link in the description below and create your Eyezy account. Select the device you want to monitor and choose your preferred subscription plan. As of now, Eyezy starts at about $47 per month. But if you opt for the annual plan, the cost drops significantly to just $9 per month, which is much more affordable compared to other parental control apps. Download and install the Eyezy app on your device and log into your Eyezy account. To link your child's device, click the plus button and either send a link to the device or scan a QR code with their phone to begin the installation. Ensure you grant all the required permissions so that Eyezy can properly monitor the device. Once everything is set up, log into your Eyezy control panel. Navigate to the Instagram tab in your dashboard. Boom! You're all set. You'll see a comprehensive summary of your child's Instagram activity right in front of you. Eyezy doesn't just stop at Instagram. It's packed with tons of other features designed to make parenting in the digital age a lot easier. Want to know where your child is at any given time? Eyezy's location tracker has you covered. Curious about what websites they're visiting? The web history feature lets you see it all. If you're serious about protecting your child from the pitfalls of social media, Eyezy's Instagram tracker is a must-have. Ready to see what your child is really up to online? Click the link in the description below to try Eyezy today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.